In this video we explores the benefits of interactive smart classes in schools and their potential to enhance the learning process. Engaging and immersive learning experience. Interactive smart classes provide a departure from the conventional chalkboard and textbook-based teaching methods. These modern classrooms employ a range of digital tools, such as interactive whiteboards, projectors, tablets, and educational software, to create a visually rich and dynamic learning environment. Students can interact directly with the content displayed on the screen, fostering active participation and improving comprehension. Multimedia integration. One of the key features of interactive smart classes is the integration of multimedia elements. Teachers can incorporate videos, animations, and interactive presentations to supplement their lessons. These visual aids help students grasp complex concepts more easily and enhance their retention of information. For example, a biology class can come alive with 3D models of cells or virtual dissections, while history lessons can be enriched with interactive maps and timelines. Personalized learning. Each student has a unique learning style and pace. Interactive smart classes enable teachers to customize lessons according to individual student needs. Digital tools allow for adaptive learning, where the content and difficulty level can be adjusted based on the student's proficiency. This personalized approach fosters greater student engagement and helps address the diverse learning requirements of a classroom. Collaborative learning opportunities. Interactive smart classes promote collaboration among students. Digital platforms enable group activities, interactive quizzes, and virtual discussions, encouraging students to work together and share their knowledge. Collaborative learning enhances communication skills, critical thinking, and problem-solving abilities, which are essential for success in the modern world. Real-time assessment and feedback. With interactive smart classes, teachers can assess students' progress in real time. Digital tools provide instant feedback on quizzes, assignments, and interactive activities, enabling teachers to identify areas where students may need additional support. This timely feedback allows for targeted intervention and helps students stay on track with their learning goals. Access to digital resources. Interactive smart classes provide access to a vast array of digital resources and educational content beyond traditional textbooks. Students can explore online libraries, educational websites, and multimedia materials to supplement their learning. This exposure to diverse resources encourages independent research and fosters a deeper understanding of the subjects. Conclusion. Interactive smart classes are transforming traditional classrooms into dynamic learning environments. These technology-enabled classrooms engage students, enhance their understanding of complex concepts, and promote collaborative learning. By leveraging multimedia tools, personalized learning approaches, and real-time assessment capabilities, interactive smart classes have the potential to revolutionize education by catering to the diverse needs of students. As technology continues to advance, it is essential for schools to embrace interactive smart classes to provide a more enriching and interactive educational experience for the next generation.